Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to be looking now at OBVI, this brand, this e-commerce Shopify brand. It's an obvious choice for burning fat and living your best life. We did a case study on one of their product pages, and we're going to get into it right now. So as you can see here, this is for their super collagen protein powder, and the original had a lot of white space here, a lot of white negative space. There's just a lot more that can be done. And then here in our redesign, we made the image bigger, change up the background a bit, review star at the top, even though it's only one review, but I'm sure they'll get more reviews over time. We made the containers and the width much wider. So my issue with the original is that when you have the quantity in the added cart, it's just cleaner when you have the widths matching. So here we just did that. We put the price in the CTA button and buy now. There's no add to cart. Add to cart, we find that buy now does a lot to improve the conversions you want, because people are going to click add to cart. They're going to have to click again to get to the cart and check out. But when you do buy now, it just auto adds it to their cart, then takes them to the cart page. Then the checkout, it's one less step. So one less step in your funnel. Users, consumers are going to convert way faster. You're going to sell more way faster. And if you're running an ad to this page too, you're just going to churn less money. You're just going to burn a lot less. So we took some of the benefits, we put it in bullet form. So this is just a lot of text right here. So we just slimmed it down, put it in bullet form. Then right here, then they got their quiz. We still kept that text as well for the quiz. And here you see, this is super important, is the free shipping. It's so important to add free shipping under the CTA. A lot of brands have it up here in the announcement bar, but add it right below the CTA. We find that brands consistently, by adding free shipping under the CTA, will convert 28% or higher with their conversion. So let's say generally, if you add free shipping under the CTA, expect to convert around 30% on average more. So some brands it'll be less, some it'll be more, but this is just an easy, quick one. If you're not doing, just implement right away. And then we added here also some testimonials, some video reviews, just other girls using the product, loving the product. Now we get into the mobile optimization. So more than 80% of traffic is going to be coming from mobile. So this is even more important to optimize than the desktop. So self-explanatory, adding the brand logo here, free shipping right at the top. If you have free shipping or some kind of guarantee as a benefit, always add that in the announcement bar. Always do that. CTA up here, because on a lot of phones these days, there's a lot on here. Some brand owners, they like to have the imagery bigger. So by just having the CTA up at the top, people who are ready to convert, ready to buy, they can just buy instantly. They don't need to see anything else. So you're going to get extra sales already just from just doing this. Reviews at the top here. Peek through. This does well, especially on mobile, having peek through. A lot of brands, you'll see it'll just be the image taking the full width, but it does a lot to just have a sneak peek of the next image. So they see already, they're spending more time on your page, just swipe. And then, yeah, product image. Now here, instead of having a paragraph text, we did the benefits and features in bullet forms. Quantity, CTA, same width. We had a little bit of a drop shadow. Free shipping, like I said before, just have that free shipping right under the CTA. And yeah, have a little bit of something about the estimated delivery. If it's under 2-day shipping, state as well. 2-day shipping, next day shipping. If it's more than 2-day shipping, then just, you can still put estimated delivery within reason. If it's 5 days or more shipping, then probably don't put that there, but definitely include the free shipping. Here, product info. This does well. Mobile, it's easy. You have it like this, drop down, you just click, boom, it opens up. And now you can see the before and after. So this is the mobile we did plus the original. You see the big difference here. You don't even see a CTA above the fold. There's no CTA. You got to scroll. You got to dig a little bit. The way the text is done, it's not neat and clean here. We cleaned it up a lot. We centered things more. Just having nice alignments, peek through, CTA nice and bold, 2 CTAs. It works like a charm. This will greatly increase the conversions. Just look at this, see how it can be incorporated to your brand. If you have any questions or you want to do something like this for your e-commerce brand, feel free to book a call below and let's have a chat.